Hey everyone, in this video we're gonna create the noise texture for shockwave element in Substance Designer. Okay, let's dive in. First, create a new substance graph. Use the empty template, name it T-Noise, and keep the default resolution. Let's start with the Berlin noise. Set the scale in this order. And let's adjust its levels a bit. Next, plug it into a multidirectional warps input. Duplicate the Berlin noise and plug it into the intensity input. Increase the warps intensity and set the warp angle to 45. Now duplicate the multidirectional warp. Alt left click on the intensity input to disconnect. Plug the previous multidirectional warp to the input. Duplicate the Berlin noise. Increase its scale. Plug it into the intensity input. Change the warp angle to 0. And add auto levels. Next, I want to add some highlights to this noise. Add a histogram scan. Set its position and contrast. Let's blur it. And blend it back into the noise. Finally, let's create a transformation and change the resolution to 512. Create an output node and name it T-Noise. Let's export the texture and save the project. Alright, that's it. I hope this helps you create some cool noise textures for your effects. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.